Hi, Scott Ariel here with Royal LePage Team Realty. Welcome to 230 Waymark Crescent in family-friendly Bridlewood. This rarely offered Urbandale San Rafael corner model sits on a fully fenced, oversized lot and features a bright, open concept main floor, second level with 3 spacious bedrooms, a loft plus laundry, a fully finished basement, and a 2-car garage. Let's take the tour. If you have any questions about this great property, please give me a call at 613-850-4542 or reach me at scott@scottariel.com.